In this video, you'll learn how to create an application password in your Bluehost WordPress site so you can safely connect external apps like a mobile app or a CRM without ever sharing your main login password. This is a much more secure and flexible way to give other tools access to your site, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site's content, settings, and plugins. Open your browser, go to your WordPress login page and sign in with your usual username and password. Once you're in, you should see the familiar dashboard with the menu running down the left-hand side of the screen. Next, look at that left-hand menu and find the Users section. Hover your mouse over Users, and from the options that appear, click on Profile. This page contains your personal settings as a WordPress user, including your name, contact info, and a variety of options related to your account. This is also where WordPress stores the tools you'll use to generate application passwords. On the profile page, scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Application Passwords. It may be a little way down the page, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit. This section is specifically designed to create special passwords that apps can use to talk to your WordPress site via secure connections without ever needing your main login details. In the application passwords section, you'll see a field where you can type a name. This is just a label to help you remember what each password is for, especially if you create more than one later. Type a clear descriptive name here like my mobile app or the name of the CRM you're connecting. The exact wording isn't critical, but make sure it's something you'll recognize in the future. That way, if you need to revoke access for one specific app, you'll know exactly which password to remove. Once you've entered a name that makes sense, click the button that says Add New Application Password. WordPress will automatically generate a long, secure password for you. This password is what you'll give to your external app instead of your main login details. It's important to understand that this password is unique to that one application, and it can be individually revoked at any time without affecting your own ability to log in. When the new application password appears, copy it carefully and store it somewhere secure so you can paste it into your app's settings. Many apps will have a field labeled something like WordPress application password or API password. That's where you'll use it. Keep in mind that some WordPress setups will only show this password once when it's created, so don't close the page until you've saved it or entered it into your external tool. By following these steps, you've created a safe bridge between your Bluehost WordPress site and the external app you want to use. You've avoided sharing your main password, and you've given yourself the option to remove that access at any time by coming back to this same application password section in your profile and deleting the token you created.